Welcome. Every day teachers are presenting things to their students. Whether you're an educator or a professional, we generally rely on Microsoft PowerPoint. But over the years, it seems like the audience has seen every PowerPoint and sometimes they're thinking, oh no, is this going to be PowerPointless? There's a new program out. It's been out a while, but it's called Prezi. You can find it on Prezi.com. I've typed in Prezi.com up here in my browser. So we'll go right to Prezi. I already have an account, so it knows my account. If not, you sign up, use your email address, and create a password. You can have a free Prezi account, which is what I'm using, a free trial. And then there are upgrades that you can pay for monthly. Right now it's loading up my Prezis. Up at the top you can see there'll be your Prezis, um, learn and support, which is a good thing, and explore, where you can see other people's PowerPoints and get ideas from that. These are the Prezis on the screen that I've recently made. Here's one that I just made recently to start practicing how to use Prezi. I may show this one later, but I will start a new Prezi. We can try that. So start a new Prezi. Wait for that to load up. This is the Prezi symbol here. It's also a controller. Prezi can zoom in, which is a great feature. Um, these are templates. The other Prezi that I made that I'll go back to, I used a blank template. But we can use a journey template, or as you can see, there's a variety of templates down here. And I think there's some over here. So these are the template choices. Um, we'll try the journey template, since we're on a journey to learn about Prezi. So I just click that on and then use the template. Here's the thing to remember. When I use the blank template, I just had this grid, which are frames, and you can click to add a title. So in a text box, wherever you click on a box, a text box will come up. So I'm going to type in a title, a new Prezi. Then you can click on certain boxes, and then you can add. This will allow you to rotate the frame, resize. You can use the hand and you can move the frame, um, resize it. But the main thing is these important items up here. You can choose arrows or brackets. You can create different brackets or arrows, which give or a highlighter where you can highlight some of your text. It'll give your Prezi some direction. Here is insert. You can use a variety of images. It'll go right to your computer, where you can pull up your own photos or movies. Um, you can add background music, and another thing that I've used for my other Prezi was add a voiceover, where you can record your own voiceover. You can also go to YouTube, create diagrams, of course symbols and shapes, and there's also, I'm going to go to how to import your own PowerPoint and to give it a lot more presentation value. And then if you want some background, there's some other background choices and theme. There's also choices over here where you can collaborate and share, so other people can also work on your Prezi. On this side on the left, you'll see there's a presentation start button, and as you begin your frames, it'll start loading your frames on this side. 1, 2, 3. And you can edit the path when you click on the frame. You can either click and drag and change the order, or completely edit out a Prezi or a frame. Here's here's the power bar down at the bottom that shows you how to generate through your Prezi. You can go to full screen. This is a short tutorial on inserting your PowerPoint slides into Prezi. Here's the insert button. So you saw before PowerPoint was at the bottom. So you can insert a PowerPoint slide. Open the PowerPoint that you want. This one is Dinosaur Evolution PowerPoint. So you open, that will bring in, upload your PowerPoint to the right hand side. And then you can just drag and drop your frames that you're going to use into the Prezi grid. It's kind of hard to see the grid here, but it's there. And whenever you're viewing a Prezi, there's always the control tools down at the bottom. So you can add the slides. You again click and drag. And yeah, we'll take that one. So this is adding slides. When you do a Prezi, they zoom in, so it gives you some depth and perception, and you can hide things inside your Prezi presentation. But for this one, we can insert all. If you'd like all of your slides from PowerPoint inserted into Prezi, you can do that, and then delete the ones that you don't want. Insert all, we can do it in certain patterns. Here's insert. Click on the ones that you'd want if these are the ones you'd like. So this would be all the slides from the PowerPoint, but with Prezi we can reshape those. So we close the import. We've imported all our slides. You can see for the presentation, all your PowerPoint slides are now Prezi slides on the left. So let's Prezify these slides and make your presentation zoom. We can click on a slide and do that. You can divide them into groups according to content. Here's where you use the frames. You can change the framing to divide them into groups. Now there's a clear sections of content areas in this as the slides were divided. If you have Prezi Pro, you can hold down the Shift key in Prezi Pro and scan a whole set of slides, and then you can use this centerpiece, the hand, to move your slides up and down, resize them, or you can also rotate them. But that's a Prezi Pro. Adds a little zoom to your presentation. Once you have clear sections to your story, you can delete certain sections, and then you can place in titles and headings, and then you'll have a clear stepping path to where your presentation is going. You can remove a frame. It's easily done. Delete, remove frame. You can add text. These are text boxes. Anytime you click on a box, a text box will come up. And we can create a heading for a certain section of series of slides. This way, your presentation, you can again create the steps that you're looking for. Now your content has a clear path when you zoom in for an overview. They can be resized, reshaped, tidied up, fix the view. You can create different sections, intro, content, conclusion. You want to make your path clear. Adding arrows is a great way to show a journey through your ideas. Again, here's arrows at the top. Draw an arrow. It'll allow you to draw the arrow however you like. Now the direction of your journey becomes clear. From Triassic to Jurassic to Cretaceous, and then into your conclusion. With these in place, you can also add images. If you don't have images of your own on your computer, Prezi has a library of pictures and images that you can use. Here's some of the images off to the side here. Built-in library has high quality images. Again, insert symbols and shapes, insert images. There's the one that we pulled from the section at the right a moment ago. Symbols and shapes can add structure to your Prezi. You can draw a complete section where it divides to also add direction. So in 4 simple steps, we've gone from a simple slide deck of PowerPoint to an exciting zooming Prezi. Go ahead and look at the results. You can see this is going, when you click on these sections, it'll bring up the slide categories that you have. We start with the introduction, and then zoom into the details. Prezi is also great for exploring charts and diagrams. You can zoom in for a closer look or rotate to get a better view. It's a good idea to move back to overviews so people can see the larger picture of where you're going. So you zoom in and zoom out. The arrows help to show direction of where you're going. And you never lose the ability to move from slide to slide. You can zoom into the details. Combining arrows and a little zooming can help you accentuate the details of your message. Also with the images and the print, you can change color. One last point, you move back to the overview before the conclusion. You zoom back in to your next section, and you can finalize and complete the direction of your presentations. And there you have it, a zooming and exciting Prezi that you've changed from a PowerPoint into something that's got a little more jump, and that is our Prezi presentation for this section. Thank you.